Have you ever inserted a picture into Microsoft Word only to find it stubbornly locked in place? You try to drag it, but it just won't move where you want it to. It's incredibly frustrating, but fixing it takes less than 5 seconds. Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to move any image freely in your Word documents. Let's jump right in. First, open your document and insert your image by going to the Insert tab, selecting Pictures and choosing your file. Once your image is on the page, you'll notice it acts like a giant letter of text, which is why it refuses to move freely. To change this, simply double-click the image. This opens the Picture Format tab at the top of your screen. Look for the Wrap Text option. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select In Front of Text. That's it. You can now click and drag your image absolutely anywhere on the page without it snapping back or messing up your layout. If you prefer a faster way, you can also just right-click the image, hover over Wrap Text, and choose In Front of Text directly from the quick menu. Both methods work perfectly and give you full control over your document's design. If this quick tip helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.